Watch. So bring them over.
Sandman builds. We're gonna learn how to split apart a case. Part one. No, I'm just playing. No, we're really gonna learn though. All right, go ahead.
So yeah, he came through, undisclosed human, and he was like, yo, I'm gonna learn, but the whole time he just sat there and talked to me. So
When he was here?
yeah.
I
Word of
mean,
advice, guys: don't stand there, say you're gonna do it, and don't do it. Goodbye.
you heard him, guys. But like, so he just literally did that though, and just was here the rest of the time.
Yeah, it busted him out.
It's all good.
You edit that out.
I can edit that out. Don't worry about it.
No, but for real though, I'm not afraid. Maddie be on the videos too goddamn much around the Subarus, man. It gotta stop.
No, it's all good. It's all love, boys. It's just our cousin. We just messing around with him.
It's a little bit of a complainer.
Just a little bit.
He just wants everybody to work hard.
First time actually seeing this. Okay. This is pretty cool. So, I'm going to show you guys on this 2.5. If I bring it up close, this is bearing. So, I'm going to show you guys. This is what happens when you don't maintain your block and you basically don't change your oil regularly. This is the failure that will be caused from hard driving, hard shifting, and just poor engine maintenance. Okay? We're going to continue breaking this bad boy down. And let's get some. We can now spin this with just your everyday screwdriver. I'm gonna get my gloves back on right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 2. Total of 8. Now, some of them may be different shape. I'm gonna show you the difference between the two. You may get either or it may be one complete set on both, depending on how Subaru or whether it was a rebuilt engine by somebody previous and they didn't have the proper bolts to put on there. So we have first let me see if I can get it to clear up, which you are gonna need the basically the impact kind of screwdriver that you can purchase at AutoZone. I'll have a link in the description to where you guys can get it from. So Hex kind of socket. T25 is the actual number. What? Was the method, but it was a success. All right. Unfortunately, this isn't standard method for Subaru. We're gonna figure it out and go ahead and get some proper tools. We'll contact Company 23, see if they got anything for us. But other than that, let's get on to the next one, boys. Standard practice. Don't lose your little wrist pins, okay? Oh my gosh. No, I'm just playing. to. So a how-to on how to take off the ring once removing it from up top. Keep your finger locked in on one side and go ahead and just pull and keep the ring above top of the piston, and we'll go ahead and pull it off. Standard, same thing, charbroiled effect. Piston, no good. But honestly, at this moment in time, what was really going on is that I came to a realization that I was still missing quite a few bolts on the short block when it came to separarization. There were a couple more that were left on the oil pump. There were 2 more on the side where the starter would go on the bottom side that I forgot. You know, this is a big learning curve that I really had to deal with, and I wanted to make sure that I tried my best and gave it my all when it came to disassembling the short block in a right way and a timely manner. I do feel that, you know, there were some things I could definitely work on, such as, you know, being able to name things and also get a better understanding of where the bolts may lie. But a big learning curve. I really did enjoy everything that went on today. I appreciate Ed Dog Built for, you know, letting me go ahead and have a space where I could disassemble a short block. As you guys can see, I'm struggling right here to disassemble it just a little bit. This is where on the other side, on the underside where the oil pan is, I ended up finding out there's a tiny 10 millimeter that's right there that you also do have to take out. And then on the back side where the rear main seal is, there's also a bolt that you do need to take out that's right there. So very big learning curve, really did enjoy it. That's why there's kind of no sound. It's kind of just going to be a voiceover during this part, but overall I appreciate everyone's little help. That's Kenny from next door who thought he could come by and help us out. Honestly, he thought he was holding something, but it really wasn't working. Shout out to the guys on YouTube. I'll link their video in. They actually were the ones where I found it. They did this about 5 or so years ago, and I went ahead and took some of the steps that they invoked and kind of added some more of my own, so where I can go ahead and get this short block disassembled. Right now you guys are going to see me wind and unwind this freaking floor jack from my Legacy as we try ahead and get this separated. This is where I was kind of having a little bit of difficult time having to spin it over and over and over again, but nothing too complicated that we couldn't really deal with. I did enjoy the process. I enjoyed the day. It was very fun, very great to learn and really teach myself on a 2.5. Next we're going to do is a 2.0, but right now just really understanding the 2.5 is a big dynamic, and I enjoyed every little bit. I'm gonna end up sending these heads off to, or these heads, see, miscommunication again. I'm gonna end up sending the short block case halves off to out front so we can see if they're salvageable, and we can go ahead and see if the crank is still good. Most likely we'll probably have to get a nitrated cross drilled and talk with Jeremy and see if the case halves are still good. Most likely if they are, then we can go ahead and get this rebuilt in a timely manner and slap it on a future build. But yeah, that's the end of this little cycle, and we're gonna let the video continue.
part is pulling the crank out with all the rods in it.
I know.
It's like,
That's what I'm waiting for. I'm just trying to get there. Yeah. We did it.
pull the crank up.
This is it. Hey, Cap, do me a favor.
Don't drop it.
You see that white button? Press